Former president of America, Bill Clinton. Is he admired greatly by Kenyans? Wakere Jimmy Carter. Is he admired?
Henry Bush Jr.
George Bush
Jr. na senior.
George Bush, is he admired?
All the name president ya
former na ginya ikorwe muoyo. Turatara aria memuoyo. Gutiri toy.
Kweli. Aria memuoyo. Jimmy Carter muoyo, Bill Clinton muoyo, George Bush Jr. Ide Jr.
Donald
Trump.
Is he admired?
Heno geta go ruto tigiwa Joe Biden. Joe Biden ali getini ko former.
Wa gatano former ni Barack
Obama.
Is he admired by Kenyans?
That's a very good question.
Ni atano. Yes. Bill Clinton, Jimmy Carter, George Bush, Donald Trump, Barack Obama. No admired.
As in your living former presidents of the United States of America.
No admire go no. No.
Who did many Kenyans admire?
No wale was mathematiki.
Bodini.
Ila kuratuika yeire.
Kuratuika ruado azimio maraiga atiriri ati githurano kiu kiairwo ti Kenya kwanza yaire. Kiairwo ni thirikari ya Ngeretha na thirikari ya America. Na thirikari ya America ni kugerera u a former president who many Kenyans admired greatly.
Na nitwa magweta atano riu ni uri kucio.
Aya, nitha aria thaa igiri na nuthu tugukorwo na mundu witagwo Ken wa kuria kwa Imara Land Company. Tugukorwo turugamirirwo ni kambuni ya Imara ithaa ria igiri na nuthu nginya thaa ithatu. No ithaa ria thaa imwe na nuthu nginya thaa igiri na nuthu. Kama gwa Kenya arenda kundwara nginya kundu witagwo Nyandarua niguo.
Nyandarua no nginya ka discuss agwo once in a week.
Yes. Yeah. Nyandarua ri. Ujiraga ni the county.
Yeah.
Na tidiganirie.
Riwe mokoni ma governor Badilisha.
Yes.
A nice man. From all Kalau.
Yes.
Mokoni mega riu.
Yeah. Nyandarua.
Riu kogo trore maye hida mekoruta wira.
Yes.
Tondu Nyandarua ngirorwo wega njorogere ni njiganu kumuhonia. Mutingihota bururi uyu. Acha. Tuno hoti wa kumuhonia.
Na he mundu wona kaundu tutanona. There is no single lady who was elected as a speaker in the 47 county assemblies. So neja makutano. No single
lady.
Haya, thank you. Katurikiria hau.
Goda kuri made kuraro atia.
Made deigwa ni muthenya wa Huduma Day.
Tutikaroka.
Ni tukurora.
Tondu negoda uthimari ndio muthi.
I stand guided.
Your Excellency, sir, before you is a team of investors ready to be awarded. Anthony, Celebration Gardens, Kitengela.
Anthony, congratulations. You too can own land today.
Tuika shujaa omothi na kugura broti iria shirina mai thitima wareha deposit kana installment ya shilingi 910 neturakohe 10,000 shillings cashback kana shujaa shopping voucher ya besha utaishio tuhurire thimu kuhitukira 0790 300 300.
Niaje? Ni kama unashangaa kwa nini naangalia simu with so much focus Usishangae sana. Ni vile nimekuwa ndani ya story kabisa. Ni kama ile hali ya juzi. Ni kama nilikuwa hapo iki happen. And when this new market was being opened, ni kama nilikuwa hapo tu. Hata vile local tourists for a special rate at the coast, I was there. And when this new road was being commissioned, I was right there. Na hata wewe, unaweza kuwa ndani ya story wherever you are. Just download Citizen Digital.
Stay informed on all the news and events as they happen across the country, the continent, and the world at large. Download Citizen Digital, Kenya's #1 news app.
hihi ciana ciothe gũgakũria mĩgũnda ĩkĩgaywo nĩ Dagmar mwarĩkũ? Dagmar Lawrence tũkũreheire Victory Gardens kilomita 2 kuma Kangundo Road. Bei nĩ 380,000. Makutano bei 295,000. Deposit ya mĩgũnda ĩno yerĩ no 50,000. Tusonge Malindi by plane 50 by 100 bei 100,000. Deposit 30,000. Electric fence maina thitima zipo. Title deed ni hapo hapo. Thimone 0740 888 111. Dagmar Lawrence, we promise we deliver.
Nyina wa mundu no omenyaga bata wa mutugo mwega ta ngagũro njega ina mũrĩo o muthenya na Blue Band ĩyũrĩtio omega 3 na 6 na hinya ũrĩa arabatara. Ngagũro na Blue Band kũria ũhotani wao muthenya o muthenya. Breakfast with Blue Band, grow their success day by day.
Moigithia wa Golden Dreams Land and Properties Limited. Mwako